So in today's video, I am here to expose us as ladies call. I am here to expose us as ladies and tell the world tell the world how ladies shoot their shots, okay? We find it so difficult to shoot our shots, but we still shoot it too. We dey still shoot am. Okay, but we do it in a subtle manner, in a manner that if you are not attentive, you will not know that we are shooting our shots. But we are shooting correct AK-47 bullets like this. The way a lady shoots her shots on social media is by she will go to your profile, okay? Then she will like your pictures, about 10 of them. Sometimes she will scroll down to your old pictures and like your old pictures so that you will know that she has been going through your profile. That is enough shot, so that is a major shot. And sometimes she will now top it up by following you. She has shot that shot scatter. She has shot it scatter. She has tried. So if you see a girl coming to your profile to like your pictures or like your tweets, about 10 of them, and then she now follows you on top, that's a major shot, okay? And if you do not notice it, if you don't notice that she has liked your pictures and followed you, let's say that your profile is so busy and you did not notice, then if you upload a story, she would use that story as an opportunity to slide into your DM by reacting to the story. She will not comment, she will just react, maybe heart reaction or heart eyes reaction, you get. So she might just react to your story, and then the way you respond to that will let her know whether she should continue or whether she should just abort mission, abort. So if you ignore her, she'll know that bullet has missed road. If you reply her with heart as well, she'll leave it there. But if you're like, thank you, how are you, shut up bago. Eye contact, okay? Ladies only look at things that catch their attention. So if you ever catch a lady staring at you, that means that you have caught her eyes, okay? So if you guys have had a few eye contacts, maybe you look at her the first time and she was staring at you, and you look away and you look at her again and she's still staring at you, that's a major shot, okay? Probably if you look at her the second time and she's still looking at you, she'll now just slowly look away, like she'll now look away and smile. Oh my god, I'm terrible at this. She'll not look away like and smile like that, and then she could now play with her hair. You know, this thing is a shot too. This thing is a shot. She'll not just look at you and now just smile and do her hair. Oh my god, I don't know if I'm getting it, but people understand what I'm trying to do. She'll not look at you know, as in your eyes will not jam. She'll not just look away. Okay, that's a shot. Some very bold ones will be bold enough to, when your eyes now jam, she'll not just hi. When she says hi, you're supposed to walk over now, you get. But that's a very risky move because you can do hi, you will not do this. Only on very rare occasions that a lady will just walk up to a guy and tell the guy, I find you cute, I like you, and all of that. A lady will walk up to you, out of everybody in the room, she'll walk up to you and ask you for the time. That is a shot. If she walks up to you and asks you for directions, or she walk up to you and say, please help me take a picture of myself, she want a sample for you, okay? That is a shot. No two ways about it. That is a shot, especially if you are in a room filled with other people and she walks up just to you. Sometimes it might not be a shot sometimes it might not be a shot, but you know if it's a shot from how excited or chatty she is. Maybe she will just try to turn it into a conversation, and you know she will just be shining teeth. You know that's a shot. She did not actually come to ask you for time, she just came to just talk to you, okay? So that's how you know she's in a shot. Sometimes she'll walk up to you, but she will not say anything. She'll just be passing around you, hovering around you, waiting for you. Oh my god. Maybe if you're working out at the gym, she'll just be coming around you and be gymming around you, working out around you. Or if you're at a party or at a function, she'll be sitting down around you, passing you, waiting for you. This guy, you know they see me, you're not gonna come up, you're not gonna come up to me. You see us girls, we are very funny creatures. So that is how, if you see her passing you often, if you see her around you often, like Sometimes a lady might also purposely just bump into you so that you guys can have that conversation like, oh my god, I'm sorry, are you okay? You get me? Indian movie things. See what things? But honestly, girls can be dramatic like that, okay? She might stage an intentional bump into you so that you guys can have that short conversation and it will just make her happy, okay? So that's another way that a lady can shoot her shot. Then a lady can also shoot her shots by complimenting you, but not directly. She'll not tell you, hey, you're handsome, you're a fine boy. She'll tell you, hey, I like your shirt, or I like your perfume, or I like your haircut, or I like your shoes. You get me? I like your wristwatch. Indirectly saying I like you, okay? That's another way. Throwing all these random compliments at you, that's another way that a lady could shoot her shots. If you notice that your friend is constantly trying to hook you up with a particular girl, he's always suggesting her to you, always asking you to approach her, chances are that that girl has sent that your friend. You don't know how girls behave. It's possible. It's possible that she's the one that told your friend that she likes you and that your friend is just standing in as a middleman to link both of you. It's possible that she was the one that sent him, okay? Do your friend the favor and do her the favor by telling her or telling both of them your intention so that you don't keep both of them hanging, okay? The girl will keep disturbing the friend will keep disturbing you, and you will not tell the friend your intention. Tell the friend how you feel so that he can go and pass the information to her. You get me? Okay, I know you get me, so please save everybody the stress, okay? If a girl likes you, she's gonna laugh at everything you say. You say, if you know that you're not funny, but you notice that she's laughing at everything you are saying, then she's attracted to you, okay? Our Naija girls will top it up by calling you Ode or Big Head. Or they will graduate you to bestie level so that she can spend more time with you under the umbrella of bestie. So if you notice any of that, she is shooting her shot, okay? So that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.